Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have two high-end wall decor for you. These are Dollar Tree DIYs and they're quick and easy to make and they're inexpensive, so I know you're gonna love these. So let's get started. For our first design, I'm going to be using this chopping mat from the Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna use one sheet. I'm going to be using my circle stencils and my marker, and I'm just gonna mark random sizes, and then I use my scissors to cut them out. I'm cutting them in a wavy pattern in and outside of the circle. So if you have one of those small wavy scissors, that would work perfectly. And I'm just placing it on a darker background so you can see it better. Then I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to create my design. I'm going to make small waves and they're going to meet in the center. Now I'll add smaller ones on the sides just to fill in the gaps. I'm going to be using gold leaf for this design, and the gold leaf could have been applied directly after I was done applying the hot glue, but I had lots of glue strings and I wanted to get rid of those, so I did all my pieces, let them dry, and then clean off the glue strings. So next I'll take my blow dryer and I'll just heat up that hot glue, and then I'll apply my gold leaf. And I'm just pressing it in so it can stick well, and then I'll take the extras off, and then I'll just use my blow dryer again to ensure that it sticks well. I allowed all my pieces to dry for about half an hour, and then I use my paintbrush to brush the excess off. For the center of my petals, let's call these flower petals, I'm going to be using these furniture tacks. You can use thumbtacks if you'd like. I'm just placing them on a piece of foam board so I can spray paint them. I want them to be gold. So I'm going to be using my Rust-Oleum metallic and I'll just spray paint those. So that's for one design. In the meantime, I'm going to be making the frame. I'm just going to make one frame and I'm going to do two designs so you can see. Okay, I'm going to be using bamboo skewers from the Dollar Tree, and these are the 36 or 30-inch skewers. I cut them into random lengths and I just use my pliers and cut them into 22 inches, 20 inches, and just random lengths. So just watch as I'm placing these, okay? And I added two more pieces, that one right there and that one right there, and we're done with our frame. Now I'm going to be using my tight bond wood glue and my paintbrush, and I'm just going to brush the wood glue all over the frame. That way it will be stronger and it will also add a nice sheen after I spray paint. For my spray paint, I'm going to be using Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint, and here's the final look of that. And now I'll just put my thumbtacks into my petals and place them. And you want to place them before you glue them down to see exactly where you'd like them. I wasn't seeing much contrast between the petals and the frame, so I spray painted the back of the chopping mat so they could add some contrast. I used my white and my chrome spray paint, and I just spray painted the back of them. And here's the final look of those, and now you can see a difference. And now I'm taking my hot glue and I'm just gonna attach the pieces, and I'm just placing a generous amount of hot glue right on my thumbtacks, and I'll just place it right in the corner of the dowels, and I'm making sure to put each one in a corner. And then I'm just placing the rest to see exactly where I want them before I continue to put them permanently. Now we're all done, and for the back of this one I use gray paint, and I'll just flip it over and reinforce the back. And here it is on the wall. You could turn it horizontally or vertically, and you can make it larger, however you chooses. So now I'm going to remove the petals and I'll give you the second design. For the second design, I'm going to be using mirrors. I have 3-inch, 2-inch, and 1-inch mirrors, round and square mirrors. I'm just going to place them in random spots, mainly to cover up some of the edges, and then I'll use my hot glue to glue them down. So here's the final positions for all my mirrors, and now I'll just glue them in place. I'm also going to add a circle in the center of this design, and I'm going to use a splatter guard from the Dollar Tree, and just remove the mesh from the middle and remove the handle. It's already aluminum, but I'm going to spray paint it with my chrome spray paint, and that will add some depth to the wall decor. I'm just going to flip it over and I'll glue this on the back, and I'm using my hot glue. Now we're all done. It's time to just clean our mirrors and hang it on the wall with a picture frame hook. And here we are, nice and beautiful. Please let me know which one of the design is your favorite. I hope you at least like one of them. If you do, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Please remember to give me a thumbs up, as that will help my channel to grow, and also you can help me to share. Please share this video to someone that you think may be interested in this content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye bye.